Welcome back to part 2 of After Effects shortcuts worth knowing. If you missed part 1, you can check that out from the link in the description. Alright, so let's get into it. Tip number 1. Okay, so normally when you parent one layer to another, it'll keep the child layer exactly where it is while moving along with it. But if you hold Shift while using the pick whip to parent it, After Effects automatically snaps the child layer to match the parent's anchor, position, rotation, and scale. It's a huge time saver whenever you're attaching objects together. Tip number 2. If you want something similar, that is, your text following a certain path, all you have to do is create your text layer, then draw a mask on that same text layer. Now open Text Path Options, choose Mask 1, and just like that, your text follows the mask path. You can even animate the first margin value to make the text travel along the path. Tip number 3. Here's one I use almost every day. Select a layer, press J to jump to the previous keyframe, press K to jump to the next one. No more zooming in and hunting for keyframes. And if no layer is selected, J jumps to the beginning of the work area while K jumps to the end. Tip number 4. Ever lost track of where a file is in a huge project? Instead of searching through the project panel, right-click the layer, go to Reveal, then click Reveal Layer Source in Project. After Effects instantly highlights that file for you. Tip number 5. This one's a small shortcut, but once you know it, you'll probably use it all the time. Hold Alt and click the Fill option. It cycles between Fill, Gradient, and No Fill. The exact same trick works for Stroke too. No need to open any extra menus. Tip number 6. If your position animation feels really stiff, instead of manually curving each layer, select your position keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Interpolation, then change Linear to Auto Bezier. Now your motion path automatically becomes smooth instead of sharp. It's a quick way to make animations feel much more natural. And that's it for part 2. Don't forget to save this video so you can come back to it. Subscribe and like if you haven't already, and see you in part 3.